Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to send USDT in Trust Wallet. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I've already installed the application and added my wallet. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to send USDT. Well, for instance, I'm simply gonna search for USDT from right here in the search button. I'm just gonna click on it. Now what I'm gonna do is simply search for USDT. As you can see, the result has been provided. Let's say I want to send this one. I'm going to click on it right now. Once you do, these things will open up. From here, denote that you can buy it, sell it, swap, receive or send. Right now, I just want to send it. So I'm going to click on send right now. Now what you guys need to do is simply enter the address or domain name of the person whom you want to send the USDT to and enter the USDT amount. Once you've done that, simply hit on next and just follow the prompts. It might ask for your confirmation and others. Simply provide it carefully. And guys, that is it. That's how you send USDT in Trust Wallet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.